Have you ever wondered how to accurately track an iPhone's location? Whether you're concerned about the safety of your family and children, have accidentally lost your phone, or want to know someone's real-time location, there are solutions available. Today, I'll introduce 3 simple and effective methods to easily track an iPhone's location. Method 1. Use the Find My app. Apple's official Find My app is the most basic method. It helps you locate a lost iPhone and track a friend's real-time location. However, the other party must agree to share their location. How to use it? 1. Enable location permissions. Go to Settings, Privacy, Location Services, Find My, and select while using the app. 2. Share location. Open the Find My app, tap Start Sharing Location, select the contact, and set the sharing duration. 3. View location. Once the other party accepts the request, you can track their location on the map. Warning note, the person can stop sharing their location at any time, which may prevent you from tracking them. Method 2. Use MoniMaster Pro, a hidden tracking tool. If you need to discreetly track someone's iPhone, MoniMaster Pro is a powerful solution. Why choose MoniMaster? Low detection risk, making it hard to notice. No jailbreak required, compatible with all iPhone devices. Real-time tracking plus location history, remote monitoring, access call logs, social media, browsing history, and more. How to use MoniMaster Pro? 1. Sign up for a MoniMaster account, click the link below. 2. Complete the setup on the target device. 3. Log into the MoniMaster dashboard to monitor their location remotely anytime. Small blue diamond. This method offers high stealth, but should always be used legally and ethically. Method 3. Share location via iMessage. If you have access to the target iPhone, iMessage is another possible method. How to use it? 1. Open iMessage and go to a chat. 2. Tap the contact's profile and select Send My Current Location. 3. Choose a sharing duration, 1 hour all day, or indefinitely. Pros: free, no additional apps required. Cons: the person will receive a notification and can disable sharing at any time. These are the 3 ways to track an iPhone's location. Which one do you prefer? Follow us for more useful smartphone tips. Click the link below for a free MoniMaster trial.